Hello friends, in this video I am going to share what are the books you have to read for ICAR JRF Plant Science examination. First, coming to the plant science, what are the subjects it includes means plant breeding and genetics and plant pathology, agriculture microbiology, seed technology and plant genetic resources. And what are the books you have to read I am going to say in this video. After completing, many of them are unaware about ICAR PG examination. That is after, I am not saying the agriculture graduates. In general, I am saying ICAR PG examination is to join in various states. For that, your college must have ICAR accreditation. That's the first point. And you have to read all these books and along with general agriculture. For general agriculture, I will make separate video. These are the two books for genetics, that is Fundamentals of Genetics by B.D. Singh and Elements of Genetics by Pundan Singh. Okay. In Pundan Singh, some topics are very crisp, and in B.D. Singh, the topics are in detailed manner. So refer two books and read the crisp points. Very important too. Don't go very deep. Which is necessary, read that points alone. Try to cover all the topics. Cytogenetics, that is cell biology, cytogenetics and molecular genetics are very important. And for genetics, I had made few videos, check it. And stay tuned and connected with this channel. I'll try to complete the portion before the examination. These are the books for plant pathology. First, for fundamentals, you have to read this book, or else if you don't have this book, read some class notes and whatever you read in UG. And this book, if you read this book means, I think HPDUA is not necessary. Some points are there, just go through HTDUA after reading this book. After reading Fundamentals of Phytopathology, go through this book. Then for objectives, you read Upal Kumar Bhattacharya book and work out those things. And for diseases, UG notes is enough, and TNAU and Angro notes are suggested. That's all regarding plant pathology. The main thing you have to know is you have to be strong in basics, and many questions are asked from diseases, that is causal organism. Sometimes they will ask a genome, and many times they ask which disease produce which spore, and what is closed corp, that are fruiting bodies, spores, that everything have to be clear in that. For pathology also I will make a separate video, just to see the book. Then for plant breeding, Essentials of Plant Breeding by Pundan Singh. It is very important book. You have to be thorough each and every line. B.D. Singh is not necessary, I feel. If you are thorough in Pundan Singh, it's enough. If you are interested, you can read B.D. Singh, and if you find time, you can read. But I hope this is enough for plant breeding. Sure, I will make videos for every topics in plant breeding. Stay connected. This book is for Introduction to Microbiology. This is for agriculture microbiology. Don't afraid of reading this big book. No need to read everything. If you are thorough in class notes, it's enough. Mainly, what are the questions they will ask from microbiology means from cycle, that is nitrogen cycle. From the cycle they will ask questions, and from bacteria, which is gram negative, which is gram positive, what are the stains used. These are the frequently asked questions. Then this food microbiology is not that much. Industrial microbiology, food microbiology are not much important. Have to read the discovery is very important. I will show the index. You can read chapter 1 and chapter 2 and chapter 3 also. Don't go very deep, just read the important points alone, because only few questions are asked from microbiology. Yes, these are simply just go through, these are not much important. Just go through that virus is important, virus is topic, like that important points, biofuels, just go through. and genetically modified organisms. Just to go through the topics, just this glimpses of medical microbiology. These are not important. Just go through with the syllabus. Actually, half of the book is not important. I can say half of the book is not important. Only very few questions are asked. If you don't prefer this book, just to go through class notes, it's enough. Actually, for seed technology, now I don't have the books. Just I will say the book name, that is P.K. Agarwal and Vanangamudi book is very important. Just they will ask basics in seed technology, that is breeder seed, color. Very basic questions will be asked. So if you are thorough in class notes, it's very necessary, and you go through the books and work out the objectives. I'll also make video for seed technology. Plant physiology is also important in plant science. The cycle, vitamins, photoperiodism, vernalization, many questions will be asked from cycles. Even last year question paper 3 to 4 questions are from cycles. And what else? Yes, photosynthesis and respiration are very important point. And don't afraid of this book, read important points alone. And plant hormones is very important. Bioassay also have to read, don't leave that. Bioassay means no need to read about the techniques, just what bioassay is used, like aviniculture technique is used for what, like that you have to read. I'll make video for this also, just I'm showing the book what you have to read. Coming to the final stage of revision. After completing the subjects in plant science, just go through this book. See, this book covers everything. Almost it's good for revision. Okay. Then after completing that, this book, Instant Plant Science, this is optional. I can say optional. If you are thorough in this book, no need this. If you prefer, this book is difficult, because you can see some, it's like reading again the same book, you will feel like that sometimes. So you can use this book. It's very simple. It's your, according to your wish, and it's very simple. You have only the objective questions in this Ajit Kumar Singh book. And for objectives, you can prefer this book, but some more mistakes are there. If you read thoroughly, just you can correct it, not much, but this book is also useful one. And after completing this revision, you have to go for general agriculture. What are the books you have to read, how you have to read general agriculture, I will make separate video. Stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please share with your friends. See, many are unaware of this plant science, and many are unaware of UG. If possible, I will try to make a video for other PG subject also. Just stay connected and study well. If you don't have books, follow my videos. I'll try to post video daily. All the best.